Hello, good afternoon. Today I am at Wakad near Bhumkar Chowk and I have a new property for you. This property is Insignia by Vinod Developers and it is situated in a very good location from which you will get a connectivity of Bhumkar Chowk, Hinjewadi and Tathawade. So this is the building of Insignia. It is of 1 acre land parcel. It has a single building with 2 wings A and B. Each building having 10 floors. This is the approach road of Insignia. This side will take you towards Tathawade and Akshara International School, and this side is Bhumkar Chowk and Hinjewadi phase 1. So Bhumkar Chowk is not more than 300 or 400 meters from this project. As you can see, this is A wing and that one is B wing, the under construction one. The possession of A wing is December 2020 and of B wing it is December 2021. This is the under construction site of Insignia. It is a complete 2 BHK project and it has total number of flats 98. Now I will show you the sample flat of Insignia. This is the sample flat of Insignia. It is of 705 carpet area. We have one more carpet area of 712 square feet. This is living dining. This is living area, entrance lobby. Attached terrace. It's quite spacious one. This is dining space, kitchen area with L-shaped kitchen platform. This is dry area. Children bedroom. This is common toilet with shower area. And here we have master bedroom. With attached toilet. As well as attached terrace. So we have 2 terraces in each flat of this project. So it is a good advantage. This was of 705 carpet area, and as I have already told you, we have one more carpet area of 712 square feet. So location wise it is a very good property. We have various schools and colleges around 5 kilometers of radius, as well as we have Hinjewadi IT Park, Hinjewadi Phase 1, which is not more than 4 kilometers from this project, and we have the upcoming metro station which is at Shivaji Chowk, which is also 3 to 4 kilometers from this project. And we are having good offers since it is a new launch project. We are giving good offers and discounts. So to know more details, please contact us on our registered mobile number, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you so much.